Homemade coffee ice cream fudge cake recipe, irresistible dessert delight. Hey, folks, welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we have a treat for all you coffee lovers out there. We're going to make a mouthwatering coffee ice cream fudge cake that's going to blow your taste buds away. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, cooled, 2 pints of your favorite coffee ice cream, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of butter, chocolate shavings and coffee beans for decoration, optional. Instructions. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Step 1. Prepare the cake batter in a large mixing bowl. Combine the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Next, add in the eggs, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix everything until it's well combined. Now, gradually pour in the strong brewed coffee while continuing to mix. This will give our cake that wonderful coffee flavor. Once the batter is smooth, it's time to pour it into 2 greased and floured 9-inch round cake pans. Step 2. Bake the cake. Pop these into the preheated oven and bake for about 30-35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 3. Make the fudge sauce in a small saucepan. Combine the heavy cream, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and butter over low heat. Stir constantly until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Step 4. Assemble the cake. Now that our cakes are out of the oven and cooled, it's time to assemble our coffee ice cream fudge cake. Spread a layer of coffee ice cream over the first cake layer. Place the second cake layer on top, and then generously drizzle the fudge sauce over the whole cake. If you want to get fancy, decorate the top with chocolate shavings and coffee beans. It's totally optional but adds a nice touch. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. And there you have it, folks, our coffee ice cream fudge cake. Now all that's left to do is slice it up and savor every delicious bite. That's heavenly. The rich chocolate, the coffee kick, and the creamy ice cream. It's the perfect dessert for any coffee enthusiast. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tasty treats, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time on Miss Coffee Baby. Happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.